Hi, this is Don Durrett, goldstockdata.com, and this is going to be an overview of the website. I haven't updated it in a while. This is 2020. I'm going to try to keep these videos at 10 minutes or less. A lot of these categories are going to take a significant amount of time, such as companies, search and compare, portfolio, and forum. So I'm going to leave those out on this initial overview. And the second overview will be, we'll just work our way. Companies will be next. Then we'll do search and compare. And then we'll do portfolio and forum. So we'll have to break it up. It's a lot of information to go over. So this is the home page. Home page, of course, this is main menu right here. So these links actually you can see where it has a link. This actually takes you to the Gold Stock Data Facebook page, which I don't update very often. This is my Twitter account. You can follow me. I actually use that every day. I've been posting more Twitter feeds. This is the YouTube, my YouTube, which you'll go there. I haven't been adding a lot of videos. This is the first video I've done in a while, so maybe I'll start using it more. Here we have the times. And then this right here, you'll have your name when you're logged in, and it has 0 in red. If anybody in the forum sends you a direct message, it'll show up here. Then we have our menu options here. And then here we have, you guys won't see this, but you'll have your control panel and your logout. And control panel is where you do all your configurations. That's where you can set up, change your email. Change your email settings, change your actual email, various configurations where you can read his past newsletters. And then you can log out. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and click on control panel. So here's various settings. Here's where you can change your password, your form defaults, the form list, and then your basic defaults and your defaults, email subscriptions. You get your free book, historical newsletters, the cash flow. Some of this stuff you can get in other places. You can get the interviews in the news, for instance. Cash flow calculator, that's on the profile page. So let's go back to the home page here. Every page has these links at the bottom. So you contact us. I will get that email if you send that to me. So here on the home page, when you are logged in, you have your own custom home page. I've set this up. Right here, you can see this little arrow. So you can make this wider or deeper. So it's a drag and drop. Hit X, it'll go away. Reset the layout. Down here at the bottom, if I remove this, it'll let me put it back. So by default, it kind of hides everything at the bottom, and you can add them back. I put the ones that I'm going to use, so the daily movers, forum activity, and the charts. I actually don't see my home page very often because in the control panel, you can set your landing page, your defaults. And my landing page, I believe, is the forums, so I don't see this page that often. I think that's all there is to the home page. The news is just, if you want to look up any historical news, it'll show you any analysis that I've done this week, or if I've done any podcasts, I will post them here. So I try to keep all my historical. The companies page, I'm not going to, well, I'll show you this. I'm just not going to show you the profile page. So the companies, it has a few links. So we have a link here for the best and worst, it takes you to this page. And then we have filters. We have a filter on the whole sector, so this shows you everything. You can filter if you want, just show me the silver stocks, show me the producers, and it will, so if I click on this, it's actually going to show me all the producers. You can just go down the list. It's pretty nice. It will show you if it's a top pick or if it's a top 25, and you can actually filter by countries as well. And this is just if there's a mine in that country. It's not, So anybody that has a mine in Argentina will show up. I'll go ahead and do that. I'll click Argentina. So this is giving me all the producers that have something going on in Argentina. So if I do whole sector, it's going to give me all of the companies that are there. So now let's go and let's do silver stocks. And there's Pan American Silver. So here there's actually 4 links. The search, this will actually take me to the search page and show me the information a little bit different than the profile page. The notes will take me to the notes section in the profile page. The wiki will take me to the wiki page. The wiki page it's something that the developer created where you can actually have your own little personal wiki page for that company. These are very similar. Notes and wiki pages are very similar. But the notes page is kind of predefined. Those are notes that I enter. And the wiki sites are notes that you enter. And then this link right here is what I usually use on the company's page. This takes me to the company's profile page. So if I click that, it's going to open up the profile page. And this is going to be the second video because it's going to take me a while to explain that. Let me check my timer here. I got 3 minutes left. So our search and compare, we're going to do this one separately, and this is our search engine. I'm going to show you the search engine real quick. These are all the things you can search by. This is what we're going to go over. I'm going to explain to you, and then there are the results, and there's a lot of different things on this page. There's a lot of settings. You have this right here where you have a lot of configuration, and then when you do the results, if I do say top 25, it's going to show me this right here, this screen. We have 2 little options down here that I need to explain. So the search and compare is going to take a little bit of time. Then we have our best and worst. So again, we can filter, and we can see what's going on, our best and worst. And this information we try to keep accurate, but depending on share splits, a company is no longer trading, you need to double check it. The color coding, up here is our color coding. So if it's if I have it on my watch list or it's in a portfolio, so any stock that I own's in a portfolio, so it should be blue, or it could be in a watch list, or so I have a watch and then we have portfolio. So you can do that as well. Then we have portfolio. This one's going to have to be separate as well. But you can see all the portfolios I have. I don't want to leave that one open too long. This is the forum. The forum, this is going to have to be a separate one as well that I'm going to have to explain to you how to use it. The book link, this one you can download your free copy when you are logged in. You get the 7th edition, you get the entire digital version. Then we have our charts page. The charts just gives you the current silver prices. This comes from Kitco. This is the spot price. This is the HUI, which is very useful. And then this is the dollar index, XAU. So I use those. And then we have our help file. And then the help file, it gives you all the various groups. So you can get your categories and you can get your ratings. These are very useful. So the category gives you, these are really, you need to know what these categories mean. So everybody should come in and read these categories. And then if I go back up to the top, if I go to ratings, this is another one you should know the ratings, the descriptions of our downside and upside ratings. Those are important. So one thing about, you can always search this. So if I do current cash flow, and so this gives me this right here will tell me this is the calculation for current cash flow. I just saw that I only have 30 seconds left, and I want to finish. So that gives you an overview of the menu. I did the control tower, the log out, and I just showed you the help. So I think this is everything that I wanted to show you for the first overview, and then the next one will start breaking down. We'll start going into more detail on explanations. So that is overview number 1. Thanks.